T3, T4 turbo, whatever. So T3 from my understandings, T3, T4. T4 is the size of the turbo, I guess. It's a decent size compared to... I'm not sponsored by this game. This way. There's a regular CD player, so it's a little bit bigger than it. So T4 is the size of the turbo. T3 is the turbine or the waste, the other part of the turbo. This is a smaller, whatever, and that fits perfectly on the bottom side of those headers. I don't scratch the floor. It's kind of rusted, but yep, this piece would go right on the turbo on the bottom side. And then just at the top side, what goes up here, it's the wastegate, which would be wastegate, WG for wastegate 38mm PP. Somebody else used the bathroom, and T3. So like I said, T4 and T3, T3, T4. This is from that box, the wastegate, which mounts like that. Turn on flashlight. And you can have another down pipe that goes to the bottom of your car, or run it to the exhaust. Yeah, but this is it. eBay Turbo came with eBay gaskets and plugs, and this new eBay bag that goes here, and then that's the first piece that I got, and then the oil feed line, the oil return line, and this, and these hoses and clamps. For the longest I didn't know how this worked. It didn't have these screws on it, these two. It was just a square piece. And I realized I'm watching videos, this goes in the back of your engine towards the oil filter on the right hand side. That sensor, the oil pressure sending unit, you take that out, you put this into it, screw it into the block, and then this goes into here. It goes into there, and then you put the oil pressure sending unit back here. So this goes to the engine, this is neutral, is in the middle. You put the oil pressure sending unit here, and then here goes that hose. You just kind of and then spin it. This is the access port. You don't need it, it comes off, but you need to close it so not the oil spill on the floor. I recommend that tape, the thread tape, plumber's tape, I think. And then boom, that goes there, and that feeds the oil to the top. Ouch. To the top of the motor. I believe this is backwards, so I gotta learn how to loosen up these bolts. Not learn, but and then clock this so this could be facing up. Whatever. Oh well. That's pretty much it. I recommend the eBay parts, part it out unless you have a decent amount of money and you're not struggling. But if you're starting off and it's a time killer, then I recommend you piece it out slowly and then work from there. So on that note, I don't know if I'm going to be making any more videos because I'm not as funny as the other guys. So yeah, all this eBay pretty much, and it's been good. You need that. That's a weldable. Come to daddy. Please scratch the floor. A weldable flange. Yeah. Which goes back there. So, looking at it, I think it goes like this. You gotta be careful with these edges, they're rough. So I guess that hole is gonna be covered. It's gonna go like that. And then when you have this weldable flange, of course you bolt it on, and then you could weld your exhaust. You could have it pointing straight up to the hood of your car, or you could curve it out to your fender in front of the tire or behind the tire. Well, yeah. Or you could just buy a downpipe that's already bolted on, or that match this. You can just bolt it on. Boop, 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 boop. But yeah, still spins pretty good. You can hear the whistle if you listen. See, it works. So I can't wait, to be honest. I'm nervous, I'm scared. I'm gonna do something stupid. Well, let's see what happens. If it gets too much for me, then I just sell it and get something less reliable. Automatic. That way I don't speed and get tickets and ruin my life. I don't know why I just want to go faster to prove why I am so hungry right now and I have no food. Well, it is double blade. Oh, there's no shaft play. Usually that's a... Oh, there is shaft play. So, maybe you could go with the route of a turbo repair kit, just to get the new inners, which is, shaft and all this crap. Or just deal with this, let it run. If it hits the side, does it? Who knows? We figure it out. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Look, it's being ghetto. Don't mind the cigarettes, I stopped that. I vape now. Swag. Dab.